In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to communicate with clients in Clickup. Whether you're managing a project or simply keeping in touch with your clients, using Clickup effectively can make all the difference. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Clickup. Think of this as your digital workspace where everything related to your projects resides. Open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Clickup is a powerful platform designed to integrate all your work in one place, making it easier to manage and communicate efficiently. Once you're on the Clickup homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. Clicking this will bring you closer to accessing your workspace. If you already have an account, you know that this is your gateway to unlocking the functionality of Clickup and all its features. When the login page appears, you have the option to sign in with various accounts, but let's keep it simple today and go with Google. Clicking sign in with Google streamlines the login process, especially for those of us who juggle multiple accounts. As you click on Google, you'll be prompted to select your account. Choose the account that is linked to your Clickup workspace. This step is essential to ensuring you're accessing the correct projects and tasks. Now, once inside Clickup, head over to your project list. This is where you can view all your active projects. Selecting the appropriate project is crucial because it houses all the tasks and communications related to that specific initiative. After selecting your project, find the particular task you need to communicate about. Tasks in Clickup are the building blocks of your projects. They contain details, documents, and are often where most of the collaboration happens. Clicking on the task opens it up and allows you to interact with it fully. In the task view, look for the message box. It's your conversation hub within the task. Clicking on this will allow you to start typing your message or comment. This is where you can update your colleagues or clients on progress or request feedback. Composing your message is simple. You can write updates, ask questions, or provide the necessary information. Remember, clarity is key when communicating in these spaces to avoid misunderstandings. Once you've crafted your message, it's time to send it. Locate the send button and click it to deliver your message. This ensures that everyone involved in the task is kept up to date with the latest developments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently communicate with your clients on Clickup. It's a straightforward process, but one that is integral to maintaining smooth collaboration and project management. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.